thrill now. So now I'm driving to Matteo and I will check how his new machine is doing, what he developed for himself to plug under the blends. We will see how it goes. So the machine is still a prototype, but it's already in action. It's not ready yet. We need some color and stuff, but it's working. Homemade. And who is the producer? Well done. Cool. But not finished. Now we are waiting till Matteo is coming home and he will tell us how it was working with the machine. Pity? Can you hear him already? And how was that?
All right.
Good.
All right.
And how did it go?
Huh?
How did it go?
What?
Yeah, what do you have to improve?
Some stuff.
Okay, how long will it take? Another
Half an hour.
Ah, yeah, okay,
Maybe
that's
hour,
cool,
yeah.
huh? Come on.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah. So in ecological vineyarding and so on and so on, so it's a lot of improvisation to fighting against wheat and so on, yeah.
yeah, for this is the machine. Good.
And that was Corona. Corona was good for that stuff.
At least something.
A bit free time, yeah.
Yeah, cool.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It was spinning, some stone came here, you know.
Ah, yeah.
And then I moved there.
Mm-hmm.
But here it's alright, but maybe it's already too far away, so sometimes it goes here, it push a bit in, so you need to here find the medium.
Okay,
Yeah.
cool.
You see how close it is?
Yeah. This has to still be updated.
Huh? Yeah. I mean, but now, what you're recording? But now I came from this side, so I make a bit distance. You see?
Yeah,
It's quite nearly like this.
yeah.
I think it's quite alrightish now. Before it was this inside, so I have here. But if I this renovate, this one is gonna be a bit longer. So if I go a bit forward, then it's done.
Yeah. Okay.
Same spot. Here.
Yeah.
Then I can move on this side. It's a bit there even.
Okay.
But I thought it should work.
That's the new machine, homemade.
Yeah.
A little bit improvement there, and then a brush, and you get a nice color. And that's it. Actually, for myself, I find it quite fascinating what Matteo did, but that's just a woman opinion. I mean, he got these big iron pieces, these small iron pieces. Well, we bought the wheels, but everything else was just welding together, bolt together, constructed together. It's just a plugging machine, but I think it's really cool, and I think he's a little bit proud about it. So I think at the end it will get some red color at the end, and it will look amazing. But we will see that later. Matej, how long it took you?
1 case of beer.
No, not how much?
I thought we measured time in beers.
Ah, yeah, okay. Well, would take you a long time. You need a long time for drinking beer. All together.
For winter, but in pieces.
Yeah,
small
pieces, yeah.
Like small candies, yeah.
Okay, now he's brushing. What you're brushing? What?
About the bit edges and so on and so on.
Okay,
Roughly stuff.
roughly stuff. And
Yeah.
and afterwards it will get a nice color.
Yes.
Okay, let's check Matej's machine. He is coloring and painting it. We will see how it looks now. Ow! Red.
It's a Ferrari.
Our Ferrari. Amazing. Okay guys, thanks for watching. You're definitely gonna see our ploughing machine in action in the near future in our coming videos. Bye!